This right here is what I call the graveyard of rolls. If you have been doing DTF for a while, you probably tried different suppliers trying to find a good instant peel roll that doesn't leave residue, that peels away perfectly every time, but you haven't been able to find it. But what I have right here is the solution to your problems. Let's check this out. This is an instant peel film that also has 5 layers, each one designed to help you increase your production by at least 3 times while getting amazing results, amazing quality soft prints. So I'm gonna give you an example. This is an already printed design, okay? As you can see here, it is perfectly baked. We actually use our DTF powder and our DTF inks. So I'm just gonna put this design here on the shirt. I'm going to press it at 300 Fahrenheit for 15 seconds, okay? Those are the recommended settings. Now we are gonna open it up and let's see how it peels. Amazing. 100% release of the ink. Accurate colors. Alright, and this is not going anywhere. You can stretch it, scratch it, anything you want. But we always like to give it a second press using the finishing sheet. This one is the heavy texturizing film that will add some texture to the print and also help it get inside of the fibers of the shirt, increasing durability, wash fastness, and also making it look super soft and without shine. So that's only 5 seconds. And as you can see here, zoom in so we can see it closely. Now the design comes with a little bit of texture, mimicking screen printing, and it looks and feels amazing. So that's how to get an amazing feeling shirt. Now you can print hundreds of these an hour because it only takes 15 seconds for the first press and then 5 seconds for the second one without having to remove the shirt, waiting it to cool down. None of that. Now you might be asking, well, what about small details? Look at this. Get closer here so you can see how small these letters are. Now let me show you the other side and check if you can see any kind of ghosting or halo effect of the powder. This is because this film has an anti-static layer and also it has a really good ink absorbing layers, and the powder is not going to stick around the ink, causing it that ugly effect when you print it on a dark shirt. So let's go ahead and actually print this transfer right now. And in this case, I'm not even gonna use 15 seconds because 15 seconds is the recommended settings, but you can actually go lower or higher. I'm just gonna do it for, 10 seconds this time. Let's see if it peels. Wow, it peels amazing. Again, one more time, 100% release of the ink. And now let's zoom even more to see if we can find any defects on the print. And as you can see, there's no defects, but that is the whole point of getting a very high quality film. That is gonna save you time. You're gonna have less troubles, so I recommend that you check it out, and of course, let me know if it works perfectly for you. Now, if this doesn't work exactly how it worked for me, I want you to call us because I'm gonna answer the phone and help you troubleshoot it, because every printer, every shaker, every ink, every environment, the humidity, the temperature of the room, everything can affect the prints. But I'm gonna help you troubleshoot it so it works just like that.